Hi, my name's John. Welcome to the first Sunday of the month, which means it's time for the free monthly draw. I used to use a big bucket full of names, and I used to get children and dogs and pretty girls to draw the name out. And now I do it electronically on my computer. So I'm going to look upstairs, press some buttons and see if I can find this month's winner. Right, Mr. Pack was at Aka Steve. All you need to do is send me an email with your address on. That's my email up there, and I'll get those things posted off to you as soon as possible. I'm going to do another giveaway. I'm going to keep on doing giveaways as long as people keep giving me things to give away. Basically, if you want to enter this month's competition, all you need to do is obviously watch the video, like it, subscribe to my channel, and share the video. In the comments box, you need to put 2023 giveaway 11. That's all you need to write. 2023 giveaway 11. You can put a comment as well, but as long as you include that phrase, my computer will pick it out and I'll be able to find another winner. Anyway, thanks for watching. These are the prizes for this month's giveaway. 0 to 1 inch micrometer. Just got wrote on there, Japan micrometer company. Quite a nice little make. Hardened handles, it's certainly worth having. There's also this, which is a depth gauge or a depth ruler. This one's actually in metric, quite nicely made. I've got 2 or 3 of these. It's pointless having another one in the drawer, so I'm going to give it away.